Hey crafty friends, we're gonna make a DIY spring Easter banner. I am decoupaging some napkins onto some banner that I got from Michael's. You can use burlap, you can use muslin, anything you have on hand. I'm using these little napkins that are in a Easter bundle at bluejayvintage.com. But you can do this for any season. So I'm going ahead and doing 2 purple and 2 pink ones. I have a ton of pom-poms and tassels pre-made, and I have fabrics that are going to match those. I'm using twine, some old lace curtains that I got from the thrift store, this satin, and all the other fabric I've got was also from the thrift store. So I'm cutting them just into strips. I didn't even measure them. I'm basically just tying a knot onto the twine. So I just wanted them long enough to do that. So I started making a loop at the end of my garland, so that way you can hang it. Now before the napkin dries, I poked holes in the grommets so that I could put it through, the twine through. And then I'm just laid out my fabric how I want it to go on, and I'm just going to do an assembly line to get that all the way across. Realistically, if I wasn't doing this video, I would have waited for those to decoupage to dry, but no one's got time for that when you're watching a video. So we're just tying. I used 4 different fabrics. I put a pom-pom on, and then I did the fabrics again. I'm trimming up that banner, and then we're going to just piece together to get it on our garland. I tied loops to the twine to the rope, and it'll hang and slide. So you can make these as long as you want or as short as these you want. These are so super easy. There is a pom-pom maker I bought on Amazon. It was a 4-pack for like $7. It's in my Amazon shop. I used some Tim Holtz distressing spray. I used 2 different colors. I put some stickers for like a little crown on the bunny's head. Sprayed some of that to make it look a little bit older. Once it dried, then I put it on my front porch and I took some cute pictures of it on a bench I have out there. These are perfect for any holiday, to give as gifts, or to even just wrap around your dough bowl or baskets around your house. There's just fun ways to give pops of color to your decor. Happy crafting!